Hey, Naruto, baby. Don't fall into any traps, okay? Shut your gay ass up, Kiba! Naruto, pay attention, dumbass! They almost had us, but now we're close. Their traps are getting shittier.
Byakugan. Yup, they chillin'. These motherfuckers think it's a game.
Time to show them Leaf Gang don't play.
They got Sasuke sealed in there. His chakra is wavering. Seems he's on the verge of death. Oh shit! Ah!
Bugging out! Ah! Who the fuck you think y'all pulling up on? You got some fucking nerve.